Hello, I'm Andy Chatha, President of ARC Advisory Group. We are here at ARC Industry Leadership Forum 2025 in Orlando. I'm delighted to have Axel Lorenz with me. Axel is CEO of Process Automation at Siemens. Welcome, Axel.
Thank you so much for having me, Andy.
Yeah, Axel, with this morning we had a lot of discussion about AI, and every company is trying to figure out how to use AI and leverage AI and so forth. Could you maybe start with telling us a little about, what solutions are you developing at Siemens and how are you trying to help your clients with AI?
May I go a little bit further or take a little bit longer answer in a little bit parts? I think what is helping our customers today is providing digital twins and tools that help create digital twins, like our plant engineering system to create the digital twin of that plant and the plant capability. A digital twin that is helping to simulate the mechanics like Star CC Plus we have. Creating a digital twin of the mechanics of that reactor or whatever. The digital twin of the process that we can do with COMOS, that is creating the kinematics of a process, and then maybe even creating a digital twin of what is happening in the molecules. If I combine those, I can help a customer to optimize a plant that we have and save cost by 8% without additional capacities. We have that today. That is available today. I took the product names because they are in the market. Customers can buy them today. Now, let's talk about generative AI and let's talk about AI because we can make it so much better. I mean, we are always using the DevOps sign in order how we connect the real world with the digital world. And for me, it's like a picture. This is a racetrack. Now, using AI, this racetrack, you have to build it three-dimensional because you have to give the curves more heights because we will increase the speed on playing the real and the digital world. And you see that how much better these digital twins are getting and how we help our customers to create those digital twins. So again, going back, co-pilots for plant engineering. This is helping our customers to be so much faster because if you look at plant engineering tools, the problem really is you start with them and then you need a long while until you get into a standardization. Now, we help that with libraries and with standard for industries, but a co-pilot that is helping you, what do you have to think of, will take the task away from an expert in design to someone who wants to use the design. Co-pilots for distributed control systems is something that is going to help customers using language, talking to a distributed control system like they talk to their smartphone. Now, we had that before, but it was a lot of effort to bring in all the information and the answers. Now, you combining it with generative AI, and we're using the co-pilot that our colleagues are using on the factory automation side for the totally integrated automation for the TIA portal, and use the same co-pilot now for a distributed control system, PCS7 and PCS Neo, that is helping our customers to be so much faster in, let's say, a biopharma plant had a stop, wants to restart, how to avoid that they have problems. Is that valve closed? Is it without medium? Which medium is inside? Can I do the following support actions or service actions? All of that is helping our customer tremendously.
That is tremendous. I think the way you explained it, I totally agree with you. Digital twins are so important. And you have a very strong solutions in digital twin because you've been working with automotive companies for many years and so forth. And these companies, in fact, actually, we heard this morning, some of them are just starting with the digital twin and so forth, and so they need to actually certainly start adopting digital twin. Now, also, customers are even having challenge understanding and deploying digital twins and so forth. And obviously, AI then comes on top of that. For some companies, it's a challenge. they really don't have the skill set to do that. And how are you trying to help your customers with
Andy,
all
I
of this?
think it's a challenge for everyone.
Yeah.
So it is a question on how much you have to win. So now and when we started with artificial intelligence and machine learning, we had the smaller solutions because that would pay off very quickly. And we had to come to trusted AI, or let's say industrial grade AI, and then to generative AI to reap the better benefits. And since we have generative AI, we are seeing how co-pilots are developing. But this is just an intermediate step. Where the customers want to go and where it really pays off for them to invest and to take the steps is the autonomous manufacturing or the autonomous plant. And this is where we have to start combining the simulation, the optimization, and the co-pilots of the different steps with each other. And we're very happy that we really have the first customers coming to us wanting to move into and implement digital twins for autonomous factories.
But that's very interesting. Again, a goal, many companies have is ultimately to have autonomous operations. And certainly, in my view, there is a lot of opportunity for you. You have any service offerings to go that you would work with the customer and try to, train them and help them with the what they
Of
want
course.
to
I
do?
mean, first we have to understand where we want to go. And then we probably have to define digital twins. We are happy to do that with our customers, with partners. We want to provide the platforms that provide repeatable customer solutions for recurrent problems. So we want to scale. We want to learn, develop the products we have, and then scale. So we are happy to go first with our customers, also implement a solution into the customer environment. But midterm, long term, we want to use the ecosystem, use our customers and partners to exchange experience, and use the know-how on a global level to really scale fast and help all of our customers fast.
Yeah. Also, companies are right now investing a lot of money in kind of energy transition, sustainability solutions, and so forth. Could you tell us a little bit about how are you helping your clients with that?
Actually, it goes back
Yeah.
to the same thing. Just think about the energy transition. A lot of processes we try either to put on electrical energy, or we try to use hydrogen, or we like to use hydrogen for intermediate energy transformation. That requires that in order to be sustainable, in order to really create green products and reduce the carbon footprint, you have to have green hydrogen. In order to get green hydrogen, you need to have green water. In order to produce that, you have to have the green energy. Is that available at all times to the amount you need? Not as simple as we used to have energy, not thinking about the carbon footprint the years before. So we have to go back and really tell our customers, what is the capability of the grid? No green energy, no green products. How much is there available? Do we make compromises? What is the energy mix? How much can you produce with the energy mix? How much can you go down, for example, with your electrolyzers? How many can go up? How much can you store? How much can you consume for the process you have? How much energy you need for the process you have? How much products you want to produce? How do you do your flexibility and how you create resilience? And it again goes back to you need the digital twin of your plant in order to understand your capabilities and the limits. You need a digital twin of the process in order to understand how much is the process changing, what is the input and the output of the kinematics, of the mechanics, of the chemistry, of the physics. Bring it all together and help our customers to simulate and optimize, because at the end of the day, we have to help our customers to create new products or products with a smaller carbon footprint, with a different energy mix and hopefully less energy, especially, but of course with less carbon footprint in the energy, which needs to be more flexible. We have to help them to drive different production regimes with an aging workforce and probably less people that they have available. Hey, we come back to the beginning of the discussion. We need a digital twin, we need data, we have to generate data models, we have to use generative AI.
Could you share with us if you have any new solutions you are planning to introduce, bring to the customers over the next
Again,
year or so?
step by step,
Yeah.
we have our process simulation G-prompts already for years. Last year, we launched a platform for that to make it easier for our customers to integrate solutions into their platform. It's called GDAP. I give you an example. This platform is combined with our Industrial Edge, which is a wonderful tool to enhance also brownfield plants. So a spray dryer application for the food and beverage industry is running on Industrial Edge, an existing plant, helping the customer to optimize the spray dryer. Baying on that, we're building on this platform. As I said before, we have released co-pilots for different products that we have. We're going to show more of that at the Hanover Fair coming up from the 31st of March in Hanover. I hope you're going to visit us there. And of course, we're going to extend the portfolio that we have on Industrial Edge. We extend the portfolio we're enhancing with co-pilots throughout the entire company. So we have more software coming up. So it is interesting. It's just a firework of innovation, and we are all going into that direction of the industry metaverse and helping our customers to solve their problems.
Axel, cybersecurity is a big concern for a lot of customers these days. Could you maybe tell us a little bit what your solutions for this market?
Absolutely. Going digital, using platforms, using digital twins, using generative AI requires that we connect our automation platform or field level with the cloud. And that gives us challenges on the cybersecurity. Now, communication in the industry is different than communication that we know from the normal IT. And this is why the anomaly detection we have to use and then the measures we have to take may be a little bit different. The networks are in the OT, or let's say in below the ERP level, maybe looks a little bit different. So we have been a supplier of industrial grade communication products like our Scalence portfolio, like our RuggedCom portfolio for different industries for many, many years. Now we have enhanced that portfolio with software. So we have network management, anomaly detection, software to take measures, to understand where are the assets, where are the vulnerabilities, and how can we solve them. And with that, we want to combine the offering of helping our customers to go digital with including going digital safe.
It's exciting times, Axel. We have been speaking with Axel Lorenz, CEO, Process Automation at Siemens. Thank you for watching.